What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and today we're going over 5 product launch tips so you can help create a smooth product launch for your upcoming Shopify store, one that is successful and profitable as well. So make sure you stay to the end of the video here. Before I dive into it, I just want to thank our sponsor Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get back to growing your store with real-time calculations. It comes with a 15-day free trial, and there's a link in the description below to check that out there. I'm also going to show a quick video detailing their full feature set.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
All right, so let's dive into our product launch tips. The first tip today is just going to be page optimization. This is generally going to be for your Shopify store in general. You want to make sure you have clear and relevant images. You also want to make sure that these images are optimized and compressed. You're not going to slow down the page. The page is loading under 3 seconds. Your images also want to be high quality. You don't want cheap images showing off your new products. You want to make sure that you see the product from different angles. You see the product in action with users. You can see images next to benefits as well. You also want detailed product descriptions. You want benefits over features. We do have videos covering on what you should be putting in your product descriptions, so you should check out our channel. But you want to make sure you're spending time to craft really well-written descriptions of the product so the customer fully understands what it's about and why they should be choosing it. This leads us into our next one, and that's going to be high-quality videos. You want high quality videos showcasing the product on the page itself. You should be paying for these videos as well, unless you're a really amazing video editor showing benefits over features. You can also pay for optimized marketing videos. The videos you're gonna have on your website are gonna be different from the ones you're gonna use on Facebook or TikTok, as on those social media platforms, you really wanna be getting a customer's attention in just a few seconds. It can't be a 20-minute long explainer video showing all the details of your product. There are plenty of marketers that specialize in creating high converting videos. There's a lot of things you do, adding different animations, different progress bars, different emojis, and so on to create engaging videos. So it's going to help boost engagement for your product, especially when it launches. So that moves up into tip 3 here, and that's going to be building hype around your product. A lot of product launches are just going to fall flat because if you release it out mine with no hype and no one cares for it, no one's probably going to buy it. You could launch it as a pre-order first to gauge demand to see how many people want to get it. You can hint at it across your social media platforms. You can set a date to when it's launching. A lot of shoe companies do this really well with high-end drops. You see customers waiting out line for hours and hours on a specified date because they really want to get this product because there's been a lot of hype built around it. Looked at a recent launch of the Nothing phone where they kind of hid exactly what it was going to look like for a long time, showing teaser pictures and videos so you don't see the full product and it makes you wonder what it is. They did an excellent job marketing this phone, making a lot of people curious as to the product. And so on your product launch, this is going to be the launch date here. You want to be blasting it. You want to have an organized schedule of what you're going to do, which social media platforms you're going to be using, which content you're going to be using, which ads you're going to be running to those platforms to help generate engagement for those posts. I've seen other brands also organize influencer marketing launches where they all launch at once at a specified time. So it really seems like that product is everywhere. You don't want to be haphazardly doing this on the day of, as if you built hype around it, you want to make sure things go smoothly. And this leads us into our 5th and final tip, and that's going to be sweat the little things. So you want to think about what can go wrong. You want to double check everything. You want to make sure that it can run as smoothly as possible. Another one is just going to be planning your inventory. Pre-orders are going to help with this as you can gauge demand, as nothing's going to be worse here than having a ton of demand for your product. And if you had just ordered more inventory, you could have sold more as those customers might disappear. There are apps to help with out of stock as well, so a customer can sign up for alerts. You could also offer a discount and maybe send it out to them later after it has been manufactured. And so those are the 5 product launch tips we went over today. The first one was page optimization, high quality videos. Number 3 was building hypes. Number 4 was blasting it across all your channels. And number 5 was sweating the little things. Let me know if you thought any other tips could be included today. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments. If you enjoyed this video as well, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below, as that really helps the channel out. Again, if you have any questions, just leave that comment below. Lastly, I want to mention our sponsor, Profit Calc, again, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. It comes with a 15-day free trial, and there's a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.